Good morning. It is bright and early again, and today I'm actually shooting a student film, and I'll be playing the lead character. But I have to be in drag. It's basically gonna be a basic girl drag makeup for film. First things first, as per usual, I'm going to cover my brows, but I'm gonna go ahead and just do that off camera. Ooh, okay, goody. So now we gotta do the face. So we did a test shoot, and I did the makeup then just to kind of see how it was gonna work. And what I've learned is that expensive, good quality filmmaking cameras, you can't really hide anything from them. So I could see a bit of the blue in my beard. So in order to alleviate that, we're going to color correct the beard. Now we're gonna go ahead and powder that down. Fantastic. So now we're going to lay down the foundation. I'm actually gonna brighten up a couple areas. Now that that is set, we're going to set the whole face. I'm not gonna cream contour just because I find it and this is purely my opinion, whenever I see drag queens who have their same really heavy, harsh makeup on in a music video or movie that they're in, I find it really ugly. It seems to me drag makeup really does not translate well to film, just because harsh lines and all that, it just looks I don't know. Again, this is my opinion. I just feel like it just doesn't translate into that sort of medium. As I said before, the camera sees everything. And so if you are really heavily contoured and it's not where your cheekbone is or something, the camera will see it and it's obvious and it's distracting, at least to me. So I'm just gonna really work with what I have for the most part. So basically, unless you're doing a film and you've got a specific face, just like mine, then do this tutorial. It's different for everybody. Now let's dust away that excess powder. Oh my god, this is a first. I'm an idiot. In case you missed it, which you all did, I just contoured my face. I didn't want to overdo it. So the nose contour isn't too crazy. The contour actually follows my face. I didn't do the shaving down here. It's I've got this kind of a jaw. Doing this is just gonna make it more distracting. So I didn't really contour that. But now we're gonna move on and do my eyebrows. And I'm just gonna dip into my contour palette and start creating the line. Now let's add lahars. Alright, let's clean it up. I'm actually pretty happy with that. Okay, moving right along, let's set it. So now, oh my god, are we here at this point where I actually have to start doing eye makeup? I have to actually really start thinking. So for starters, prime the lid with just some concealer. Well, that's just what I have, so that's what I'm gonna use. I don't know about you. Okay, how are we doing on time? 11:01. Okay, I've got an hour. I can do it! Gotta love a queen who's on time. It's important. I'm gonna take this hard edge. This is really dangerous. We're just gonna do this. It'll be fine. Oh, that's gorgeous. Okay, we're gonna go underneath. And we'll just focus that in this deepest part here. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and do eyeliner. We're just gonna do it. Everybody's arriving. I don't know if you can hear in the background. Lauren! I'm just filming a video, but please come in. How's it going, girl? Girl!
Walk of shame.
Why? For real? Right now? Oh my god.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are welcomed by Walk of Shame. Lauren is, she's not in frame, but she's acting in the scene with me. And funny story about Lauren, I met her through a boyfriend who I don't even talk to anymore. I don't even think she talks to him. And now she lives in Austin. Funny how that is.
Alright, so you want to see this ex-military daddy?
Sure.
Girl.
Oh yeah.
He's got a nice kiss. Okay, I'm just telling you, he's got a hot. I just had to get that off my chest.
I just want you to know. Alright. Oh my god, I still have to do a lip. I have 30 minutes. Okay. Lashes and all of that. Oh god. Okay, I'm gonna warm up the face a little bit. Because per usual, I look like a dead bitch. How many things I need to do? Yeah.
You guys have 15 minutes.
I know. I'm almost done.
Okay. And it's gonna be outfit 7. And we have a fan in Mom's workroom.
Okay. Alrighty, I had to kind of rush because they're waiting for me. We gotta get ready. Thank you all for watching. Ta-ta!
Stunning.
Whew. Oh my god, so that was such a long day. We just like finished up, we reviewed the footage from what we did today, and I was like very happy with the way that the makeup turned out, and obviously other stuff. Like the makeup's not the most important thing, it's obviously the performance. But for the purposes of this video, the makeup was a success. Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna be honest, I look really pretty. So that was good. Towards the end of the day, I mean, obviously it was a long day. I mean, there was like spots that were kind of cracking, you know, like around the beard area and all that. I don't know if you can see with the lighting. I'm just like blasting it. But yeah, no, it was really fun. It was a really good group of people, really good collaborative experience. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be sharing that final product with all of you. I think it's gonna be really I think it's gonna be really funny and just like absolutely absurd. So anyways, whenever that comes out, I hope you all enjoy it. But ta-ta for now. I gotta go. Like, subscribe, all of that. I don't really care. You're gonna do what you're gonna do. See you later. Bye.